Now shifting focus, in the latest update in tragic Balanga burn case, the mortal remains of the victim were brought back to a village for the performance of last rites. And remember, earlier her father had appealed to people not to politicize his daughter's death. And here's what the grieving father and the brothers said in their emotional statements.
किसी से मेरा उंगली उठाना चाहता नहीं हूँ। सब हैं आम नागरिक हो, चाहे हिंदू हो मुस्लिम हो, मेरी लड़की के लिए सब दुआ प्रार्थना किए। मैं किसी से नाराज नहीं हूँ। मैं इतना ही कहूँगा, मेरे नसीब में मेरी बेटी नहीं है। मैंने आपका ना इनका किसी का दोष देना चाहता नहीं। कृपया करके राजनीति पॉलिटिकल या कोई सा इशू दिमाग में मेरी फैमिली के ऊपर आप न दो। इतना ही मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ आप लोग से।
कॉल किया था, बात हुआ कि लड़की बोल रही है तरबूज खाने के लिए। मेरी बातचीत ना, हाँ सब ठीक है। दोपहर को शॉर्टन बोले कि उसका को तबीयत थोड़ा क्या बोले जल रहा है और कुछ तकलीफ हो रहा है और उसको वेंटिलेटर लगा है। तो हम लोग का मतलब दिल वहीं पे थोड़ा मायूस हो गया कि वेंटिलेटर लगा है, क्या होगा क्या नहीं। क्या ना वेंटिलेटर तो मुझे लगता है आपको सबको पता है। तो शाम को बोले कि नहीं बच्ची और नहीं है। बातचीत के दौरान हमको उम्मीद था कि बच्चा आएगी, टाइम लगेगा महीना 2 महीना, लेकिन बच्चा आएगी।
Now earlier, Odisha police declared that their investigation has revealed no evidence of involvement of any third party, and this announcement followed the death of the minor victim at AIIMS Delhi, where she had been receiving advanced treatment after she suffered 75% burn injuries. Now viewers, according to reports, this minor girl was allegedly set ablaze on July 19th near Bayabar village in Puri's Balanga block. And initially she was admitted to AIIMS Bhubaneswar, but later on she was airlifted to AIIMS Delhi. And despite multiple surgeries and critical care, she succumbed unfortunately to her injuries this Saturday. Now the Odisha police in the case, through an official statement that they put out on X, urged people to remain sensitive. They said the investigation was conducted with utmost sincerity and is nearing completion, according to their statement. They also mentioned that so far no evidence suggested any third-party involvement in the case. Now viewers, at this point questions loom. Who burned the victim? How did she suffer injuries? And how many more days before the truth actually comes out? Now reactions are also flowing in, expressing sadness and anguish as well as outrage in the case. Chief Minister Mohan Maji expressed his condolences, saying that the government and the medical teams did everything possible. Odisha leader of opposition and former Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik also expressed his condolences with a post on X, saying that he's expressed his anguish and sadness at her passing away. Further, Odisha Congress Chief Bhakt Charan Das also termed the case a suspicious one and questioned some of the procedures which were adopted by those dealing with the case.